I swear I'm 2 videos away from making this an educational channel. Okay, so like last time I have to use this platform for education instead of, well, nothing, or reviews, or something. So earlier this week my math teacher hit me with a question that she couldn't even get math teachers to answer. So, why do we flip and multiply when dividing fractions? Normally I wouldn't even care why because it's a method that works, so I've never felt any to question it, but then she offered a reward. So I scoured the internet. I spent hours doing something that would normally take 5 minutes. I got 4 websites into Google, and I found my answer. Okay, I'll explain. Flipping and multiplying is a simplified way of finding a common denominator and dividing. Okay, let's test this. First, the long version. Divide 3/5 by 1/4. First, find the least common denominator, which is 20. Once the fractions have a common denominator, you're left with 12/28 by 5/20. Now you can combine the fractions since they have the same denominator. So now you have 12 by 5 over 20 by 20, since 20 by 20 is a whole the denominator and now one which can be crossed out, so now you just have 12 over 5. Now if you cut the least common denominator part out, you realize that the quotient is the numerator of the first fraction times the denominator of the second fraction on top of the first fraction's denominator. So, with that realization, you can now solve the same problem and just multiply across, going from 3 times 4 on top and 5 times 1 on the bottom. Now I don't know why we don't do it this way, but I'm assuming that they already made the rule for multiplying fractions and saw the similarities. I'm sorry I had to use text to speech, but my earbuds broke so I couldn't use the mic on it. Thanks for watching, and I hope I'm able to make another video soon. Oh, and please like and subscribe.